What if I told you there's a real website that pays people to review and test AI tools online? Not coding, not tech skills, just simple online tasks like checking AI answers, comparing responses, and giving feedback. The website is called Outlier AI, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it works, what you do, how much you can earn, and how beginners can get started. So make sure you watch to the very end because I'll also show you how to increase your chances of getting better paying tasks. So yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, what exactly is Outlier AI? Outlier AI is a platform that connects people like you and I with companies building artificial intelligence systems. These companies need humans to test AI responses, check accuracy of AI, compare answers, and improve AI models, because no matter how advanced AI becomes, it still needs human feedback to improve. So instead of guessing what users think, companies pay real people to interact with AI systems and rate the results. And that's where you come in. You become an AI evaluator, someone who helps train AI to perform better. You need to compare AI answers, you see two different AI responses and choose which one is better based on the question being asked from the AI. And then you also rate responses. You can check if an AI answer is correct, if it's helpful or confusing. And then the third thing you can even do here on Outlier AI is you can check instructions. You see if the AI followed the prompt properly or correctly. You also have the opportunity to give feedback, which is basically how you get paid. You explain why one answer is better than the other answer. Okay, so basically you're teaching AI what good answers look like, and the interesting part is you don't need any technical skills to do this. Now, why this website pays people? The logic behind it is AI companies are competing heavily right now, and if you look at the world right now, especially as at this time I'm making this video in 2026, you would observe that AI is compounding every single day. And if AI answers are actually bad, users stop trusting them, businesses lose a whole lot of money, and then products might end up failing. So they hire real humans globally to help improve quality. So that's where platforms like Outlier AI exist, to train AI using human judgment. And yes, they pay for your time. Now, how much can you actually earn? Let's be very honest here. This is not a get rich overnight platform, but it can be a solid side income, a beginner-friendly remote work, or a stepping stone into AI-related jobs. Your earnings depend on task availability, your speed, your accuracy, and consistently, which is actually one of the most important parts in terms of making money online. The more accurate you are, the better tasks you can unlock over time. Some tasks are quick and simple, while others require more attention and pay more. All you need is good English understanding, attention to detail, ability to follow instructions, and most importantly, patience. If you can read and make simple decisions, you can actually get started. Now, for you to get started step by step is you want to head to the official website on Google, search for Outlier AI, and then open the official site. The next simple thing you want to do is to head to creating an account. You just want to click on sign up, and you can sign up using either your email account, your basic details, and a password. And then the next simple thing you want to do after signing up is to create a profile. That is, you want to set up your profile completely. You add your basic skills, you add your language level, and also your availability, which is very important. And then the fourth thing you want to do is basically you carrying out training tasks to test your ability. It's basically part of the onboarding process to ensure that you're actually someone that can complete this task of replying to AI models, that is, you testing and reviewing AI models. These companies don't want to give anyone just this task. They need to give someone that can be trusted in training AI models properly, and that's why this onboarding test is very important. And finally, once they actually approve your profile, then you can start seeing paid AI tasks. Now, this is how you need to move in this particular Outlier AI. If you actually want to succeed on the platform, you don't rush. Ensure you're not rushing all the time. Ensure you're taking your time in giving honest and detailed feedback. You start with accuracy, not speed. Your first goal is not money, it is learning how the task works. This is very crucial in this website. And then you want to ensure you're reading instructions twice. Every task has strict rules. Missing one step can get your work rejected. You need to understand this, and also avoid guessing answers. If you're unsure, slow down and analyze properly. Do not just rush and give anyhow answers. Please, companies need honest and detailed feedback that are actually filled with integrity, and also focus on being consistent. Doing 5 correct tasks is better than rushing 20 incorrect ones. And also you need to improve over time. As you become better, you get faster, you qualify for better tasks, and then you basically earn more. This is how real growth happens on platforms like Outlier AI. Now, very important, the common mistakes a whole lot of beginners make is they rush tasks. They try to end quickly and make mistakes. This is something you need to ensure you avoid completely. Also, they ignore instructions. One misstep is equals rejected task. You don't earn and you also waste your time. And then they quit too early. They expect instant income instead of learning how the system works. For you to actually make money online in any website out there, you need to ensure that you're consistent, and you must understand that what differentiates people that are successful and people that are not successful in terms of making money online is most people that are unsuccessful, they always quit too soon and they are not consistent. This is something you want to ensure you're not falling into. And then the truth is, AI is creating new online jobs opportunities around the entire globe, and platforms like Outlier AI are part of that shift. It may not make you rich overnight, but it's a real starting point for beginners who want to earn money online in 2026. If you want more videos like this, I can show you more AI websites that pay, freelancing alternatives, and how to scale this into higher income opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe for more real online income ideas, AI tools, and side hustles that actually work. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.